Okay, so let's start this session. Very good morning to all the wonderful people on Vedantu Commerce. Welcome back again on the new session on the permutation combination, a new session on the Menti Quiz. So this is your second session on permutation combination. You guys have solved 10 questions that you have to do before you jump into the examination. So let's practice some more on permutation combination because definitely this is one of those topics जिसमें आपको interest भी आता है, लेकिन I also think this topic confuses us a lot, isn't it? I hope this is the same situation with all of you. Welcome, good morning again सभी को. My name is Aditya Arya. This is your mathematics class and we are taking care of your all commerce core subjects by Disha ma'am, Neha ma'am, Sheetal ma'am. I hope your classes are going very smooth. I hope you know the schedule part of each and every class. तो हर एक क्लास का शेड्यूल आपके पास होना चाहिए. You should have an access to the Telegram group. So join the Telegram group also. Before we jump, write down your code 2458732. The code is 2458732. Write down this code. Okay. How you will use this code? You will go to menti.com, menti.com. So you will enter in your browser, you will type in your browser www.menti.com, and there you will write down the code. What is your code? Code क्या है बेटा? 2458732. 2458732. ये आपका कोड है. You will write down the code. Welcome महिमा. ठीक है. 2458732 कैसे एंटर करना है? You have to write down www.menti.com in your browser and you will be asked a code. आपसे कोड पूछा जाएगा. वहां पर आपको टाइप करना है 2458732. You will enter into the quiz and after you will enter into the quiz, you will be able to answer your questions through options. Okay, if you will not enter into the quiz, you can just watch the session, but if you want to have your name on the screen, so you have to use this code. Now how we will proceed? We will have a question and then we will discuss the solution part also, and through solution you will make sure what is your learning and what are your mistakes. तो आपको notes भी बनाने हैं. After having the solution, you have to write down what is your learning and what is your mistake. So we will begin in a minute. So before we go, let me tell you, we are having an enrollment program where we can have long-term engagement, जहां पर हम बहुत ज़्यादा सीख सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन लगा सकते हैं. We can make sure that our preparation is on the right path. We can have the mentor, we can have the proper guidance, we can have the structured content. We will talk about all these things, whether and why we should go for the enrollment program. I hope this is clear. And as I've said, if you want each and everything from the YouTube Vedantu Commerce channel, the link is in the description box. There's a Telegram group link. You will join this link. Why? To have your content, quizzes and so on, so many things. So before we proceed, I hope कि आप लोगों ने like, share, subscribe कर दिया होगा. नहीं किया तो फटाफट से hit the like button. And now we are about to start. But before that, let me share you the schedule वाला part. इसका आप screenshot ले लेना. Your next class will be on the 18th of probability. So हम 18 तारीख को probability की quiz करेंगे और 20 तारीख को straight line. अगले हफ्ते का शेड्यूल आपसे शेयर कर दिया जाएगा. As of now, 18th February probability Menti quiz and 20th February straight line. And if you want to join 12th standard schedule, if you want to have it, we are doing 2 series over there and they are literally very good. One is short notes and one is answer writing practice with respect to your board. So one is let's make short notes and other is pre-board with Vedantu. So on 17th, tomorrow, we will do metrics and determinant answer writing practice. And on 19th, we are going to do relations functions in inverse trigonometric functions short notes. Yesterday, we have done metrics, determinant, short notes. In 1 hour, we have written down all the short notes. Now, if you want short notes, you have to attend the lecture because short notes is not provided on the Telegram. Okay. So on every short note session, I will give you 5 questions which you will solve by yourself. And we will discuss these 5 questions on the next day, on the alternate days, where we will discuss how to fetch more marks in your board. Exam के अंदर क्योंकि सबको आंसर आता है, लेकिन who will fetch more marks depend on your answer writing practice. Okay, it depends on boss. You can complete in 1 day. So let's start. I hope you have entered into the quiz. I am telling you again, the code is 2458732. 2458732 is the code. Let's begin now. चलिए देखते कितने लोग एंटर कर चुके हैं. फटाफट से शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिकॉज वी वांट टू मैक्सिमाइज द कंपटीशन. जोश को हाई रखना है. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं लगे, मेक श्योर यू हैव द लर्निंग बट यू विल नॉट लूज द होप. डरना नहीं है बेटा कि सर मुझसे नहीं सॉल्व हो रहा है, लेट मी लीव द सेशन. नो, make sure that you will attend the next 1 hour and you will learn each and everything. So let's begin now. Question number 1 on your screen. Code is 2458732. Let's go. Question number 1. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. 15C3R is equals to 15CR plus 3. Then the value of R is a very important concept from permutation combination factorial. Last 50 seconds, one person has answered for this question. And it's a simple one. 15CR is equals to 15CR plus 3. Last 30 seconds, 7 of you has answered. Let's see how many of you will give it correctly. Great. So 8% has answered and out of 8, 5 are correct. Now what was the question? आपका question क्या था? देखते हैं. Question number 1 was 15C3R is equals to 15CR plus 3. Okay. Now the concept behind is, if we are having NCR, then it will be equals to NCN minus R. Okay, so this is your concept. So we can say if this is 3R, we can say that this is equals to 15C 15 minus 3R. And if this is so, we can compare these two things. इन दोनों को compare कर सकते हैं. And I can compare, on comparison, what exactly I'm going to compare? I'm going to compare this wala part, this part. And I can say that 15 minus 3R is equals to R plus 3. Now from here, I can write down 15 minus 3 is equals to R plus 3R. Now the sign of the 3 and the sign of 3R has changed if we will change their sides. So minus 3R was on the left hand side, it was transferred on the right hand side. So if we will transfer any term, its sign will get changed. Now 15 minus 3 is 12 and 3R plus R is 4R, and from here I can say R is equals to 3. यहाँ से हमें क्या मिलेगा? R equals to 3. क्लियर? तो ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर. आई होप लर्निंग आपने लिख ली होगी. गलती आपसे क्या हुई वो आपने लिखी होगी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो लेट्स सी बिफोर वी बिगिन फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, let's see who is the topper as of now. So Arjun, Tamanna, Carl, Prem and Boss. So these people have given the correct answer. 5 people. How to join, Neelam? Neelam, code is 52458732. Code is written over here. आपको menti.com www.menti पर जाना है, वहां पर आपसे कोड पूछा जाएगा. कोड इज 2458732. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. देखते हैं कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को तोड़ेंगे मरोड़ेंगे. बेटा चेक करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज ऑन द स्क्रीन. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है और यहां पर आप कंफ्यूज होने वाले हो. इन अ पार्टी देयर आर 5 Indian couples and 5 American couples. How many handshakes are possible in the party? I am asking the maximum number of handshakes possible. Last 40 seconds. Last 38. Yes. 2458732. 2458732. 2458732. Okay. 2458732 is the code, and rest of you can join. Still we are having 17 seconds. 9 people has answered. 5 Indian couples and 5 American couples. We are asking how many handshakes are possible in the party, and let's see how many of you will correct. So 10 people has answered and only 2 are correct. केवल 2 लोगों ने सही आंसर किया. देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को. How we will solve this question. And who has given the right answer? Very good, Mahima and Arjun. बहुत अच्छे. क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा था. अब आप मुझे बताओगे, just normal question. If we are having 2 people, it's you and it's me. I am asking you, how many handshakes are possible between you and me? How many handshakes are possible between you and me? Basically, I am asking between 2 people, how many handshakes are possible? Between 2 people, how many handshakes are possible? बताइए. आप लोगों से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि 2 लोगों के बीच में कितने हैंडशेक्स हो सकते हैं. याद करो, जब आप अपने दोस्त से मिले, कभी आपने हाथ मिलाया किसी से, तो यहां पर आप लिख लेना between 2 people how many handshakes are possible. Yes, are possible. It is equals to just 1. केवल एक ही पॉसिबल हैंडशेक है. Yes, yes, very happy Saraswati Puja, and may Saraswati Ma bless you with all the knowledge and the blessings, and surely you guys will top in the examination. Yes, okay. Now आपके और मेरे बीच में कितने हैंडशेक्स पॉसिबल है? जस्ट एक हैंडशेक पॉसिबल है. ओके, now if between you and me 1 handshake is possible, how many people are there? 5 Indian couple and 5 American couple. When we say couple means we are having 2. So 1 couple is having 2. So 5 couple is having 10 people from here and 10 people from here. Total we are having 20 people. Now every 2 people is having 1 handshake. So if we will select 2 people, it will be counted as 1 handshake. So every pair will contribute 1 handshake. So I will count how many total different pairs I can make by using the 20 people. To make a pair or to make a team of 2 people, what I will do just selection of 2 people out of 20. मैं 20 में से 2 लोग सेलेक्ट करके डिफरेंट पेयर बनाऊंगा, एंड एवरी पेयर विल कंट्रीब्यूट 1 हैंडशेक. So 20C2 is the total number of pair, and also 20C2 will give you total number of handshakes, which is equals to 20C2 is equals to 20 factorial upon 20 minus 2 is 18 factorial, and 2 factorial is equals to, ये आपका आएगा 20 into 19 into 18 factorial divided by 18 factorial 2 factorial. ये आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा, and ultimately what you will have answer is 190. तो यहां से आपकी लर्निंग क्या क्या हुई लिख लेते हैं. टोटल नंबर, ये आप कॉन्सेप्ट लिख लोगे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ हैंडशेक्स between n people, 9 लोगों के बीच में कितने हैंडशेक्स पॉसिबल हैं? We will select two people out of n, and we will make a pair, and every pair will contribute 2, so answer will be equals to nc2, and nc2 is equals to n into n minus 1 by 2, 20 into 19 by 2. Second thing which I want to share over here, n factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial, and so on. Keeping in the mind, every term should be positive. Every term should be positive. अगर वो पॉजिटिव नहीं है, वी विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दैट, हम उसके बाद नहीं जाएंगे. शुड बी पॉजिटिव एंड मेंशन ओवर हियर 0 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल्स टू 1. तो ये सारी बातें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑन योर स्क्रीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉरी. अच्छा, यहां पर आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक और चीज, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनसीआर? आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है. एनसीआर इज इक्वल्स टू n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula of the NCR, and factorial is the multiplication of the integers from 1 to n. I hope this is clear. Now question number 3 on your screen. So if you haven't joined, exactly boss, they were couples not singles, इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोगों की गलती हुई है. Now the Arjun is at the top, and Divya 3rd, Tavanna 2nd, Prem 4th, Mahima 5th, Boss 6th, and the rest of you, Sanya, Gaurav, Virat, Kohli, Clippy, and many more. We will make sure that we will maximize our score. Question number 3 on the screen, code is on the screen. Let's begin this next question. देखते हैं कितने लोग तोड़ेंगे मरोड़ेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. And how many ways 2 chairs can be selected out of 5 similar chairs? Last 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. 37, 33, 8 people has answered. How many ways 2 chairs can be selected out of 5 similar chairs? 5 similar chairs. Last 20 seconds, 9 people has answered. Last 15 seconds are left. So let's see how many of you will give the right answer. 2 chairs selected out of 5 similar chairs, and that's really great to see that 4 people has correctly answered and the rest 7 has given it wrong. But this is very good that 4 लोगों को कम से कम समझ में आने लगा है कि क्या करना है इसके अंदर. So Mahima, Virat Kohli has opened, Sonu and I think Prem was given the right answer, and Virat Kohli is the fastest among all. चलिए, तो अगला क्वेश्चन लगाने से पहले we will discuss how exactly we will solve this question. Now it was given that we are having 5 similar chairs. What is chair? Chair is an object. So to understand this problem, I am taking alphabets. 5 similar alphabets. 5 similar alphabets. Now many of you, and we have to select 2. Many of you blindly using this formula 5c2 is equals to 10, and you have answered none. This was your blindness. Because the formula NCR is defined for a different object. Selection, you will write down selection of R different objects out of n objects and different objects. This formula is for different. Okay. Now in case of similar, if you will see selection, you will not use the formula, you will use the common sense. Now you will let me know. Let's suppose you are saying 5c2. Through 5c2 you will have 10 possible pairs. Now if you will write down all the possible pairs, don't you think every possible pair will be like this? आपका हर एक पॉसिबल पेयर अगर आप चेक करोगे, अगर आप थोड़ा भी सोचते कि all the 5 objects are similar and we will use 5C2, we will definitely have 10 possible pairs, but all these possible pairs will look exactly same. So in how many ways we can select? Just one way, because if every pair is exactly same, it doesn't matter what you are selecting. आपको पता है सारी चीजें सेम हैं, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? A और A, खत्म. याद करो, अगर आपको if you have ever been in stationery, you are having 5 pens, and if you want 2 pen, you have never asked I want this and this. The shopkeeper will take out any 2 pen and you will not raise a question that I want this or that, because you know any 2 pen will be of the same quality and quantity. Yes or no? So इसीलिए when something does not matter, answer is 1. I hope this is clear to rest 11 people. फटाफट से रिप्लाई करेंगे चैट बॉक्स के अंदर. क्या ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो चीज थी वो आपको क्लियर हुई, नहीं हुई? फटाफट से थम्स अप, लाइक, शो योर रिस्पॉन्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. चैट बॉक्स में फटाफट से रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे हम लोग. यस, क्लियर? ओके, ग्रेट. So Sanya, Boss, Prem, Divya, Tamanna, Gaurav, Sonu, Virat, Mahima and Arjun, all of you. And now we will have the next question. If you haven't joined the Mentimeter, कोड आपके पास है बेटा. और स्टार्ट करते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन को. डन. अगला क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Let's see how many of you will do it correctly. There are 5 keys and 5 locks. It's a very good question. There are 5 keys and 5 locks, but not sure which one belongs to the right one. मतलब किस ताले की कौन सी चाबी है ये हमें पता ही नहीं है. How many maximum attempts a person can take to figure out the right key lock combination? Or the solution of this question will shatter your mind. पूरा दिमाग हिल जाएगा बेटा कि सर ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या permutation combination के अंदर. This is a completely different question that you might not, and I am very sure you have never seen these kind of questions in any of the book. Last 20 seconds left. And let's see how many of us can solve it. And it's a very common sense wala question. 8 people has answered. Everyone has answered. 9 people have given, and that's really great. The 3 of you has decoded. 3 लोगों ने इसका आंसर किया है. And Arjun, Mahima, Gaurav has given the right answer. Very good. And we will see how exactly we will write down the answer. तो if we were on the platform, वेदांतु प्लेटफॉर्म पर अगर होते तो definitely मैं आपको अनम्यूट करता, and definitely we will have the offline feel of the classroom. आप बोल पाते, मैं आपको सुन पाता कि how exactly you guys have solved this question. But anyway, let me explain this question now. What we are having 5 locks. Lock number 1, lock number 2, lock number 3, lock number 4, lock number 5. Make the star of this question because you can raise this kind of question in your real life. अपने दोस्तों से पूछो, घर पर पूछो, अपने भाई से, पापा से, मम्मी से पूछिए इस तरह के क्वेश्चन. बहुत मजा आएगा कि 5 ताले 5 चाबियां. And now we are having 5 keys. Key number 1, key number 2, key number 3, key number 4. We do not know what key will open the lock. So I am assuming the worst case scenario. Let's suppose we are having 5 keys. I have used the first key, and that will not open the lock. 1 attempt. I will use the second key, and that will not open the lock. Third key not open the lock. Fourth key will not open the lock. I have used 4 attempts and 4 keys have not opened the lock for sure. अगर 4 चाबियों ने इस ताले को नहीं खोला है, for sure the 5th key is for this, and I will not waste my attempt because I am very sure the next key is going to unlock this lock. I am asking for the maximum number of attempts. कितने maximum attempt के बाद तो खुल ही जाएगा. Now, इसके बाद what we are having? We are having lock number 2 and we are having 4 keys because one of the key has unlocked this lock, or we have figured out that the 5th key is for this. Now again we are having 4 keys. And worst case scenario, if I will use the first key, it will not open the lock. and then second will not open the lock and third will not open the lock, but we are having 4 keys, and if 3 will not open the lock, for sure the fourth one will open the lock. Is that clear or not clear? Yes or no? तो यहां पर आपके कितने अटेम्प्ट हो जाएंगे? Here you will have 3 attempts. Similarly, यहां पर आपके 2 अटेम्प्ट होंगे, यहां पर आपके 1 अटेम्प्ट होंगे, और यहां पर we will have just 1 key, 1 lock. Answer is 0. So कितना आंसर हुआ आपका? 4 + 3 7, 10 attempts. 10 अटेम्प्ट के बाद you will have the answer. So answer for this question is 10 attempts. I hope this is clear to all of you. We are having 5 locks and 5 keys. Okay. First lock we are saying we are having 5 keys. We will go for the 4 attempts which will not open. If 4 keys will not open, definitely the 5th one will open it. Okay. अच्छा, यहां पर मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है. Y plus sign. देखो, Y plus sign. Go into the real life situation. Come out of the permutation combination. अच्छा, यहां पर आंसर दिया हुआ है इसके हिसाब से, गलत है. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है. क्यों? देखो, रियल लाइफ, आई हैव टेकन 1 की, आई हैव ट्राइड टू अनलॉक, नहीं हुआ. सेकंड की अनलॉक नहीं हुआ, थर्ड की अनलॉक नहीं हुआ, फोर्थ की अनलॉक नहीं हुआ. डेफिनेटली फिफ्थ की विल अनलॉक. Here I am not making any kind of combination. मैं combination नहीं बना रहा हूं. I am not doing any kind of arrangement. मैं कोई arrangement भी नहीं कर रहा हूं. What I am doing is I am just figuring out which lock will open the key. Which key will open the lock. Now after the 4th attempt, I will jump to the lock number 2 and I will have the 4 keys. I will use the first key. Open it, it will not unlock. The worst case scenario. Second key not unlock. Third key will not unlock. I will not attempt the 4th one because the 4th key will unlock it. And after 7 attempts, I will jump on the next lock and I will see I have the 3 keys. I will use the key number 1. I will use the key number 2. I have used the 2 more attempts and the lock has not been unlocked. The definitely 1 more key is remaining, so it will unlock it. I hope this is very clear to you, boss, and the rest of you. Answer is not 24. आपका जो आंसर है 24 नहीं होगा, 10 होगा. Make sure. So correction and the points will be given to you after the session. Okay. But as of now, we will not multiply this thing. So let's go on for the question number 5. Question number 5 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Let's see how many of you will give the correct answer. Let's check. करिए आप लोग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies are the candidates for the 2 vacancies. 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies are the candidates for the 2 vacancies. There are 2 vacancies. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. In how many ways one can cast his vote? Okay, so let's see how many of you has given the right answer. Answer is 15 and the question was very simple. It just, we tried to confuse you. There are 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies. There are total 6 people and the vacancies are 2. If there is no restriction, we will select 2 people at these 2 vacancies, and it's not about the arrangement, it's just about the selection of the people. So 6C2 is 15. Now let's see if the question is having any kind of condition. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. In how many ways one can cast his vote? So you will see there is no condition that is given in the question. So answer clearly is 6C2 and 6C2 is 15. Let's do question number 6 on the screen. I hope the question is very clear. So Arjun, Mahima, Gaurav, Tamanna and Riya has got the point in this question. Next question on the screen. The code is on the screen 2458732. अगर आपको अभी तक कोड नहीं पता है and if you want to 2458732, so if you want to have your name on the screen, if you want to participate in this competition that is going on the YouTube Vedantu Commerce channel, you can still join. We are left with 5 more and the time 5 4 3 2 1 go for it. देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन कितने लोग तोड़ेंगे. Next question on our screen. How many diagonals are there in a polygon with n sides? There is a polygon. Polygon means a polygon with the n sides means where every side is equal. Regular polygon. So n sides means n vertices. It's a very good question. Last 30 seconds, 6 people has answered. Let's see, can you answer it or not? Last 25, 7 people has answered. 20 second, 8 has answered. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है ये. Okay, so 8 has answered. 4 are correct and 4 are wrong. So what was the question? Question क्या था आपका? Your question was how many diagonals? अब आपसे सिंपल सा यहां पर आपको करना है. लेट्स सपोज आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग अ रैंडम polygon. Polygon is just a closed enclosed figure. Now here I have used 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just for the sake of example, this is an octagon, and if we are having n sides, we want to check how many vertices we are having, or basically the corner points. So if we are having 8 sides, we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. We are having 8 points and we are having 8 sides. So if we are having n sides, we are going to have n vertices. Now point is why we are counting number of vertices. हम vertices count ही क्यों कर रहे हैं? And the reason behind it, the line joining 2 points, if we will connect 2 points, it will create a line. But I'm not sure whether it's a diagonal or not, because this is also a line and this is also a line. But this one is the side and this one is the diagonal. So what I'm going to do to draw a line, I need 2 points. So out of n, I will select 2 points. So I will make a different lines, but ultimately in NC2 I have counted sides also, क्योंकि अगर मैं 2 पॉइंट सेलेक्ट करूंगा तो हो सकता है ये दोनों पॉइंट भी सेलेक्ट हो जाए. हो सकता है we will select these 2 points and we will create a side. So we have to cancel, we have to subtract number of sides from NC2 and whatever left will be the number of diagonals. तो यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हो number of diagonals के बारे में. And when you will solve this, as we have said, NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 and minus n. And when you will solve this, you will come out of n into n minus 3 by 2. तो यहां से हम number of diagonals count कर सकते हैं for any. Now let's suppose there is a triangle. Triangle does not have any kind of diagonal because we see, to draw a diagonal we need at least 4 points. So if this is one of the point, the second point can be this, but this will draw a side. Other point can be this and this will draw a side. And we are not counting sides. Fine, we are not counting sides, we are counting diagonals. And for this we will need the 4th point. And in a rectangle, from the rectangle we can draw the one diagonal from every point. So answer over here is n into n minus 3 by 2 is the number of diagonals. It's a very good questions. And guys, today is a very important session because we are doing questions which are literally great and they are of the different variety, and that will definitely open your mind and the concept. कैसे करना है, how to deal with the permutation combination. Yes or no? Question number 7 on your screen. The code is 245732. फटाफट से ज्वाइन करेंगे, शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, हिट द लाइक बटन अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है. शो योर लव, अपना प्यार दिखाते रहा करो बेटा. सो अर्जुन, महिमा, गौरव, तमन्ना इज द टॉप एंड गौरव इज द फास्टेस्ट. गौरव सबसे फास्टेस्ट अभी चल रहा है. लेकिन मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगा, अभी सेशन में केवल 8 लोग हैं. वाई? एंड वी आर 15 पीपल इन द चैट बॉक्स. सो गाइज, इफ यू आर इन द चैट बॉक्स एंड इफ यू हैवंट जॉइन इन, फटाफट से ज्वाइन करो. कॉम्पीट करते हैं, साथ मिलकर पढ़ते हैं, साथ मिलकर सीखते हैं सारी चीजों को. डू नॉट वेट फॉर एनीथिंग. और अगर आप क्वेश्चन लगा लेते हैं तो प्लीज शेयर कर दिया करो, ठीक है। Should be NC2 minus n, but still I cannot reach to the answer. Boss, is that clear now? NC2 minus n, now n into n minus 3 by 2. If not, let me know. Now question number 7 on your screen. Let's start. Yes, great. Total number of words formed by 2 vowels and the 3 consonants taken from 4 vowels and the 5 consonants. यानी कि हमें वर्ड्स बनाने हैं, हमारे पास 4 वॉबल्स हैं लेकिन हमें चाहिए 2, चाहिए, और चाहिए मीन्स आई वॉन्ट. इफ आई वॉन्ट आई विल think over this. I have 5 consonants but I need 3 consonants. What I need 3, I have 5, so I will just think over this, and after this I have the 5 letters and I want to make the word. To make the word from the letters, what we need to do? Think over this. So 8 of you has answered and the correct answer is given by just 2 of you, and who they are? Tamanna and Divya has answered correctly for this question. So I can see Arjun, Mahima, Gaurav और तमन्ना के बीच में काफी कंपटीशन चल रहा है. Divya is about to reach the competition. बाकी विराट, सोनू, प्रेम, रिया and boss learning हो रही है. That's our aim. Now the question, what was the question? That we want to make a word from the vowels and the consonants. Now how many vowels and consonants we are having? Just a moment. Okay. So we are having 4 vowels and 5 consonants. We are having 4 vowels and the 5 consonants. We need to select 2 because we just want 2 vowels and we want just 3 consonants. So what I will do, 4C2 and I want 3, so 5C3. Now I am having 5 letters and 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. 4C2 is 6, कैसे? 4 into 3 by 2. 5C3 is 10. ये आपको कुछ वैल्यूज है, अगर आपको याद है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो आप कैलकुलेट करोगे. दिस विल कम आउट एज 6, दिस विल कम आउट एज 10. और जितने लोगों का आंसर आया 60, दे हैव नॉट अरेंज्ड आफ्टर इट. अरेंजमेंट करना है बिकॉज यू हैव सेलेक्टेड द लेटर्स. नाउ इफ यू विल मेक डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट, यू विल फॉर्म डिफरेंट वर्ड्स, इजंट इट? Now 5 factorial is 120. Final answer is 7200. Now next question, question number 8 on your screen. देखते हैं कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को कर पाएंगे. Question number 8 on your screen. Yes, exactly. Divyan Arjun. 3 person enter a railway compartment. If there are 5 seats vacant, in how many ways can they take these seats? 5 सीट खाली हैं लेकिन हमें कितनी चाहिए? 3 सीट चाहिए 3 लोगों के लिए. ऐसा मत बोलना कि सर एक इंसान 2 पर बैठेगा, फेल कर. एक इंसान एक ही सीट पर बैठेगा. सो देयर आर 5 सीट्स एंड देयर आर 3 पर्सन. सो आई वांट जस्ट 3 सीट्स एंड आफ्टर दैट द पीपल विल हैव अ चॉइस ऑन व्हाट सीट दे वांट टू हैव. दे विल हैव डिफरेंट चॉइसेस. So correct answer is given by 5 of you. That's really great that out of 8, 5 people are correct. Okay. So who has given the right answer? Arjun, Mahima, Tamanna, Sonu and Riya. Okay, before we jump on the next one, let me show the score again. Okay, so Arjun, Mahima, Tamanna is at the top 3 and Gaurav at the 4th. Great. Now how to do this question? Question was, अगर आप क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखोगे, we need 3 seats for 3 people. So 5C3. Yes, we are having 5 seats. So we need 3 seats out of 5. And after having 3 seats, these 3 people will have the choice and desires that I do not want that seat. I want the window seat. I want the middle seat. So these three people can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial is 6 and 5c3 is 10. 10 into 6 is 60 is the answer. Okay, 60 is the right answer. So now let's move on for the question number 9. Question number 9 लगाकर देखते हैं कितने लोग सही करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को. On your screen, question number 9. There are 10 points in a plane and 4 of them are collinear. There are 10 points in a plane, 4 of them are collinear, means 4 of them, okay, 4 of them are collinear, means all these 4 points are on the same line. Number of straight lines joining any 2 of them. You can again answer, please. 4 number of straight lines joining any 2 of them. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, लेंथी नहीं है, बस आपको सोचना है कि कैसे करेंगे. And once you will create the image in the mind how to do it, it will not take more than 10 seconds. बस आपको बस सोचना है करना कैसे है. There are 10 points in a plane, 4 of them are collinear. collinear का मतलब 4 collinear हैं, 6 अलग अलग प्लेन में है, 6 अलग अलग उसमें है एंगल. So last 15 seconds, 7 people has answered. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 8 people has answered and 5 of you are correct. 5 लोग सही हैं. अब सुनिए इस क्वेश्चन को, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. 4 points are in a collinear, means they are in a same line, and 6 are here and there. Random point है. Okay, ये हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बना लेते हैं so that you will not get confused. Just to know. Okay, over here. ठीक है. Now the point is, if you want to draw a line from 6 non-collinear points, you can draw it easily. Answer will be 6c2. 6c2 means 15 lines. But if you will draw the line by using 4 collinear points, you will not write down 4c2. 4c2 will be wrong. Why? Because if these are 4 points, this line and this line and this line is exactly same. So from here we will say we will have just one line by using the 4 collinear points. But if we want one collinear, 6 we are having non-collinear. If we want from the 6 non-collinear and 4 collinear, what we will do, 1 point from non-collinear and 1 point from here, and we will form 24 from. 64 is 6, 61 is 6, 4c1 is 4, 6 into 4 24, and the total number of lines that we will have, 15 plus 1 16 plus 24 40 lines that we will have. Okay, so this is your answer for the question number 9 and the last question of the day. Before that, we will see who is in the competition. Arjun, Mahima, Tamanna, Riya and Divya. So these people have correctly given the answer. Now question number 10 on your screen, final question of the day. Let's see how many of you will join this quiz. How many different committees of 5 can be formed from 6 men and 4 women, on which exact 3 men and 4 women can serve? How many different committees of 5? We want 5 people from 6 men and 4 women, but I want 3 men from 6 men and 4 women from 4 women. That's all. Okay, it is 2 women. Okay, it is 3 men and 2 women, on which exact 3 men and 2 women. I hope the question is clear. It's 2 women, it's not 4 women. Okay, how many different committees of 5 can be formed from 6 men and 4 women, on which exact 3 men and 2 women serve? Yes, so 6, 5, 4, and the correct answer is given by 4 of you. Let's see who is the winner. Winner हम check करेंगे, but उससे पहले इस question को solve करते हैं. We are having 6 men and 4 women. Out of them, I need 3 men and 2 women. So 6C3 and 4C2. What is 6C3? 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now what is 6 factorial? 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, and 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So we can cancel 2 factorial with 2 factorial. We can cancel 3 factorial with 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, so we can cancel this one. So 5 into 4, 20. Multiply. This 2 and 4 will give 2 into 3, 6. Answer calculation is 120 different committees we can form if we will have 3 men out of 6 and 2 women out of 4. Okay. So total 120 different committees we can form. So let's see who is a topper. Just give me, before that let's discuss what exactly is Vedantu platform. If you are on the Vedantu platform earlier, that's really great. I hope your journey, let me know who is already on the Vedantu platform. कितने लोग Vedantu पर already हैं? So let me tell you what exact features that you are going to have on the Vedantu platform after having the enrollment. Enrollment के बाद आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा बात करते हैं. What exact features we are going to have. So I'm just writing down over here. First thing is fastest fingers list. There in every session we are having a lot of quiz. जहां पर आप लोग आंसर करेंगे. There you can track your time, in what time you can answer, so that you can improve your performance. आप अपनी performance को improve कर सकते हो. You will have the leaderboard, and leaderboard score will be counted on the basis of your marks and your accuracy and the speed. Your accuracy and speed together will give you the points, and this is how you can again check your performance. You can review your performance कि हम कितना improve कर सकते हैं with respect to the other people, other competitors. Apart from this, we are having the same offline kind of experience on the live. Offline online experience, what does it mean? That in online classes we are having offline kind of experience. That means we can unmute you, means you can talk to us. आप बोल सकते हो. If you want, we can uncam you. Okay, not uncam, we can cam you, means we can have a video conversation, we can have the audio conversation. So both facilities we are having audio and the video, so that we can have better interaction, same as in the offline classroom. Apart from this, we are having dual mode of learning. Dual mode of learning will have the master teacher and the class teacher. Master teacher will teach you, and the class teacher is for one-on-one experience, so that you will not leave the classroom without solving your doubt. So class teacher is basically for the purpose that if you are having any kind of doubt, and if you do not want it to ask in front of everyone, अगर आप सबके सामने नहीं पूछना चाहते हो, it's really a very great option that you will have on the Vedantu platform. Okay. Now apart from this, what you will have? Apart from this, what you will have, we can have the more interaction. If you will find out, okay, we can have the response hotspots. We can have the hotspot. What does it mean? We can have the true false question. In this true false question, we can have a poll. Means we can check how many people support a particular thing, how many people does not support a particular thing. For example, मैंने पूछा कि let's say a square is a for example is a positive. How many people will support it? I will create a poll, and this is how we can have this kind of engagement also in a small question apart from the quiz. So these are some of the features that we can have on the Vedantu platform apart from the basic one. And apart from this, you will definitely have a mentor who will guide you what to study, what not to study, how much time. You have to invest, and your mentor obviously is your faculty and the other people. All of you on the Vedantu will help you out, and the very good thing about Vedantu is you will not feel that you are not getting help. On every single problem, you will see that everyone is ready here to help you out. यहाँ पर आपकी हर कोई मदद करने की कोशिश करेगा. Okay. Apart from this, you will have a lot of questions. You will have the assignments. You will have the quiz. You will have the weekly test. तो assignment होंगे, weekly tests होंगे, quizzes होंगे, and a lot of polls and over there. So you can practice properly. For doubt मैंने आपको बता ही दिया. Doubt के लिए हमारे पास 3 चीजें थी. One is the dual mode. Another one is Telegram, and the last one is the vacant. अगर आपको यहाँ पर डाउट पूछना है, you can ask the Telegram and the vacant. I hope this is clear. And the last but not the least, you will have the content in a structured manner. आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. Short, you will have the session recordings. You will have the session PDF. Whatever the content is being used. So how you will have all these things by getting the enrollment on the platform. उससे पहले let's see who is the winner over here. So congratulations, Arjun is the clear winner, and then no, I think yes, Arjun is the clear winner, and Mahima was in a very tough competition with him, and then Tamanna, and then who is this? Gaurav, very good Gaurav. Divya, and then Riya, Sonu, Boss, Virat Kohli, and Prem. So this is the result of this today's session. Congratulations all of you, those who have come over here, and you guys will make sure कि इस 1 घंटे में आप लोगों की learning हुई है. Yes or no? And if you want to learn some more, you will have the enrollment. You will have this Enrollment Pro Subscription plan. The link is in the description box. I have given you each and everything. And the pricing, you will take the screenshot. It's nearby 2799, 2700 on an average, and it depends on you want 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, or what number of months you want the plan. So you will write down the code if you want the enrollment. The code is ADAPRO. Why you should have the code? Because it will give you a 20% discount, and link is in the description box. So this is all guys, and I really appreciate if you have made the notes, if you have the learning from the today's session. If you want to show your love, do not forget to hit the like button, join the Telegram group जाने से पहले to have the content of the today's session and of the next session and the notifications. I hope I'm very clear. See you all in the next class. अगली बार फिर मिलते हैं. If you want any feedback, you can write down in the chat box. Chat box में हम बातें करें, comment section में आप लिख सकते हो अपने feedback को कि what do you exactly want improvement from my side. I will definitely take care of it. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. See you all in the next class.